time and day check. Yeah, that's in the morning. Yeah, 12:36. Keep watching the overall figure. Keep watching the figures here, here, and these bars here. More than the new ones. These ones. I may speed the rest of the video up in places so it doesn't get boring, and put some music on it for you. There's a loss of 4 views there, you just witnessed. Updating live. Got 4 views back. Am I allowed to have more than 122? Let's see. Keep watching. No, I'm obviously not allowed to have that. Let's keep watching. There you go again. Yeah. Can we have more than that? Can it actually go up from that figure at the moment? With this algorithm that we're using. Let's have a look. Ooh! Ooh! So you lose about God knows how many and then you gain 1. Well, let's keep watching it for a bit. There you go. This is the sort of thing that goes on day to day, every second, every hour of the day on this channel. Yeah. If you can't see the ridiculousness. Yeah. That. The word is actually getting out, but they're just changing the numbers to make me and everyone else think who comes along that it's not a popular channel in the video. And also, because the low view count will probably help keep it out of certain other algorithms which will promote the video. You know, that's what it's all about. Oh, they've allowed me 1 more now. That probably means I've had like 10 views, so I'll get extra views. You blatantly saw it going down there, didn't you? There we are. See how long it stays on 1024. See how long it stays there. If it starts going up from there, then they've got a problem, haven't they? Because I've never had that many views in one day, in 48 hours, officially. And that's not the real figure, I know, but I've never seen a number as high as that. Think about it, there you go, it's gone down. Think about it, if I was getting that many views, yeah, or even half that many views per day, and then calculate I've had this channel a year, add up all the days, yeah, and see what number you come up with. That's all I've got to say about that. In a bit, people. I'll make this my last video actually for tonight. Peace, be good. Keep fighting these bastards. Bye.